Good afternoon, just about. So, it's dinner time, and today I'm going to try one of these spaghetti carbonara, a microwave meal from Tesco. And I'm going to say, right, I don't really do microwave meals. So, this was £3.50 or two for £5.30 or something like that. Anyway, basically getting a couple of quid off if you get two. So I got spaghetti carbonara and macaroni cheese. So yeah, rich creamy sauce finished with beechwood smoked streaky bacon. So I'm gonna bang it in a microwave and then we'll have a look. So it's done. This is what it looks like when it comes out. So it doesn't look really too appealing there, does it? So let's give it a little mix up. It's a bit better now. It's not too bad now, to be honest. So little pieces of bacon there. The sauce looks quite thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some pepper on it. Got no black pepper, so one of the lads have white pepper. So here we go. Now I think this is going to be a bit too hot, to be honest. But let's mix it up there, the pepper and that. Oh, nearly dropped that. Probably could have put it on the plate and look a bit more presentable, but it's a microwave meal, isn't it? Yeah, kind of iron brew. A little swig of this. Nice the iron brew, isn't it? So let's see. So I say some sauce is quite thick on it. That's actually alright, that, you know, for a £3.50 meal at a Tesco that you bung in a microwave. Obviously it's not unlike a home cooked one, but for what it is today, which was just something quick, simple, and not money consuming, it's do the job. But I'm gonna give that give it a 7 out of 10. No, yeah, 7 out of 10. Not bad. Take it easy. Ta-ra.